Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DHgate, how to cancel order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel an order on DHgate, what you need to do is head over and open up your DHgate app, and then be sure to be logged in with your DHgate credentials. Then once you are logged in to your account, what you need to do is tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside your profile page, you'll find an option that says orders right here, and right beside it you'll find an option view all. Simply tap on that, and now on the top of the options simply tap on all, and all your orders that are pending to receive will be listed right there. Now in order to cancel an order, simply find the order you want to cancel. Then if the order status is still processing, which is not shipped, you can request a cancellation. If the order is shipped or in transit, you won't be able to cancel directly from DHgate. So in order to cancel it, tap on it and then open the details. Look for an option to request cancellation. This option is usually available if the order hasn't been shipped yet. Then if the cancel option is not visible, contact the seller directly through the DHgate messaging system and ask them to cancel the order. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.